Hey guys, it's Sean McCormick. Just going to talk about some stuff I'm working on for LRB Exhibition. I got this kind of white look going on at the moment. That's just a template that I've made, but I think that I'm actually going to go to this kind of a look for the default for when you go into it first, and we'll have the original version, which is kind of showing off features, but it was like from way back in version 1. So I'll have that as a template, so if people want to get back to it, they can. But we'll start off with the simple one. I may do an alternative black version as well, just so we have those as templates. Anyway, we're in the actual gallery rather than in the home or about page, etc. etc. The reason why is I'm just showing you all some stuff I've done in here. There was a problem with the info panel in that if you were hovering and you hovered over the info panel itself, it would jump to the information from the last image. So that was a bit of a problem trying to get rid of that. And ultimately, I don't think it's not too different. But what we have is essentially, if you hover over the image, the information will come across this band at the bottom. Now you can change the opacity, which is here, and you can change the height as well. Now I need to correct the capital O there. And then obviously the information that's in it comes from the image info section. So here we have it set to file name, but you can obviously use caption and things like that and have that information put in. The other big kind of change as well is that before you'd have a random sets of images and stuff like that to be used for the arrows. So here we have the left and right arrows, and the way it works is if I jump to image 6, now you can see those better because there's a lot of black in image 6, so you can see it's kind of white circles. But what are the arrows? If you look here, you'll see that they're now in set 3. Alright, okay. So these are set. Now the left arrow, right arrow, play and pause. So if I go to set 2, for example, so I'm just going to put in 2 instead here. Now it'll take a couple seconds. It will rewrite the gallery each time you put those because you're actually changing something inside. And Lightroom is forcing a refresh. That's set 2. So set 2 is actually kind of like an inverse of set 3. So now if we move on, again we jump to 6 because then you can see those against the white, and then against 6 you'll see it against black. The idea is just that it's visible against darker colours and in lighter colours, so you have those options. Okay, pause that. So I have 5 sets with it now, and you'll be able to just drop in your own sets into the standard way, put them in to this resources/images file. And the reason why these are named slightly different here is just the way that CSS is called and stuff like that. So I may or may not change that so that you just see the set names and stuff like that, but we shall see, because it may be confusing for people, so it might be better to leave it the way it is. So those are just some of the changes I'm making in the upcoming version of LRB Exhibition.